Frank's love of simple industrial materials endures. His Sydney treehouse will be clad in brick, a local staple and a choice inspired by the 19th century buildings that surround the UTS site. But at this testing workshop, his enormous challenge for Sydney's bricklayers is to somehow make these bricks curve like flowing fabric.
He must have a good mind. I don't know what he was thinking. So you're not going to make life miserable for the bricklayer. They're going to be doing this job.
You made it more difficult, didn't you, by deciding to use bricks?
I found over the years that the craftspeople love the challenge. They get bored doing the same old stuff.
You know, the brickwork on this building is like extremely challenging.
The facade of the project, and I'll show you on my screen over here, is made out of a steel substrate, a mild steel substrate. And on this substrate, there are some ties on which the bricks rest. And the density of these ties changes depending on the curvature of the building. And the brick ties are supported on a steel frame.
That's the hardest part, to put the ties in there. As you can see the channel then, and then fix all this and the front and the back of the bricks, and then tie them up so they can stay there.
You know, the way the brick gets placed in this building is not going to be some mechanical process. It's going to be a craft of you know, brick mason, a brickie placing each brick, and the way they place the brick and the way they strike the mortar and the way they do all this stuff is going to create, you know, we're going to live and die by how they do it. See that one up there? The brick, the tail of the brick is resting on the tie, which probably means the brick is tipped back.
No, they should have dropped the carriage for the tie lower.
Time will tell if Sydney's craftsmen are up to the task.
I don't think it's a deal breaker, but it is going to cause this tipping thing to happen.
It's something that we've never done before, so we're all learning. Even though bricklayers, but we're learning in this job.